called 4-compartment sink with faucets. First off, the overall dimensions. Okay, got that. Left to right, we have a length of 108 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. And a height of 43 inches with the splash. Minus the splash, we have 36 inches tall. Left and right drain boards, with each one measuring 16 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, and coming to the center are 4 tubs, each tub measuring 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, by 11.5 inches in height. Drain baskets included for each of the 4 tubs, and coming to the top is your left and right faucet. Each faucet, the swivel head, will measure 12 inches in length, and a distance for each mount will measure 9 inches. Coming to the left is the NSF certification sticker. And please note that the film can be peeled off, that's protecting the stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.